Welcome to Paper Alchemy in Certaldo, Italia. This video is a quick overview of the installation of the Paper Alchemy exhibition in the Palazzo Pretorio Museum in Certaldo, Italy, May 17 to 22nd, 2023. Giant thank you to Jennifer Wells, who not only contributed a piece to Paper Alchemy, but worked so hard to create this exhibition opportunity. If you're not familiar with the Paper Alchemy exhibition, it's a traveling exhibition that I curated where each participant created a new piece using Thermonite that I sent them. It's been traveling for more than 2 years since its debut in Istanbul, Turkey in May 2021. Fortunately, Umut Demirguç Thurman and I were able to personally bring Paper Alchemy to Certaldo and help install it. We weren't able to bring all the pieces since they had to fit inside of a little carry-on suitcase. The Palazzo Pretorio Museum in Certaldo, Italy, is the original medieval part of the town and is stunningly beautiful. Let's open the exhibition together and take a look inside. To reach the exhibition space, you pass through this courtyard of this amazing medieval structure that houses both historic artifacts as well as many contemporary sculptures. Down a few steps, and you can enter into the exhibition space. In this exhibition space, we had 6 display cases in which to house the 29 pieces that came with this version of Paper Alchemy. We grouped the pieces based on how we felt they worked well together, both in their use of Thermonite as well as in the overall design of the pieces. We had short explanation about the exhibition Paper Alchemy in both English and Italian, listing the previous exhibition venues as well as the current participants. The exhibition was very well received and the opening night was very well attended. You personally probably weren't able to attend, but I hope that this short video has given you a sense of how this particular installation of Paper Alchemy came together. I hope you've enjoyed this short virtual visit, and maybe one day you too can visit Certaldo, Italy. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.